we've got our December Fruit for Thought box and another giveaway. So if you want to see what's in the box and what's in the giveaway, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
Bandit's hanging out with us looking for some spare food. If you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we are filming on December 19th. We have not had power at our house since Monday, the middle of the night, early morning, like 5 o'clock it went out. And haven't had it back yet. And there's still a power line down in our road, which is a major road, so that surprises me.
And our generator doesn't work.
Yeah. Is it time? We'll be right there. And so we're at my mom's house, where there's heat, water, everything. Everything a girl could want. All right, this is a monthly subscription. It is no longer fruit themed, but just all kinds of fun themes. The December theme is hot chocolate, and the January theme is going to be fruit punch. So what have we got?
Gourmet hot chocolate. Isn't this from like the same lady who makes the marshmallows?
It might be,
because like the logo kind of looks like the same one. So
this is Joycraft Cocoa, and it is apple spice flavored. It's a woman-owned company. And there was a Marshmallow of the Month club. This might be the same lady because she does her own cocos. What else?
Marshmallow scented, hot chocolate scented candle, I think this is. Ooh.
Yeah. So this is hot chocolate scented cocoa candle. It smells very chocolatey. And that is by Kringle Candle.
Ooh, look at these. Oh, it's so...
We have a chocolate bar soap. I did tell her when you saw that you were going to try to eat it. I told Pam. I was like, she's going to want to eat that.
Can I eat it?
No.
This one white?
No, it's almost dinner time. You don't want to ruin your appetite. And that is by Rinse. They also do like the play therapy doughs.
Hot chocolate.
So this is the Snowman Soup Mix, and you've got marshmallows, hot cocoa, you've got some Hershey Kisses, there's a candy cane over on the side.
Ooh, cool mug. Let me get it. So it's one of those travel mugs.
And we have a Central Perk travel mug. This was in honor of Matthew Perry, and I think that Jackie's going to like that.
Who's Matthew Perry?
He was an actor in the show Friends, and that's from Friends.
Oh, Friends?
And
that show sucks.
Today's giveaway, we have this little Ipsy pouch here. There's a little bit of marks on there, but not because it's been used. It was just, I don't know how they got on there. But in there, you're going to get a Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask and a Mineral Eye Cream by Nina. Which I think I just got recently in Test Tube Beauty or something like that. So if you are interested in this is a skincare bundle. So you're going to use the word skincare in a sentence. Maybe tell me some of your favorite skincare that you use. And otherwise, make sure you check out the rules below. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.